All right, hey there, viewers. So, I want to give you a first-hand of what we always see coming into the shop. Not just me, but everybody in the shop here too. Especially when a customer just bought a brand new car. It's a 2026 Honda Odyssey. As you can see, 26 Odyssey with 5,000 kilometers. And this is just normal. This thing has 5,800 kilometers on it, so not even 6,000 kilometers. What is that? 3,000 miles. But yeah, usually they come in with a list of complaints because they just bought a brand new car and you're hearing noises and they don't like it. So this is normal. How we deal with this is we try to figure out what their complaint is. First of all, the first complaint is driving slow, turning steering wheel, there's a rubbing sound coming from the steering. That is, it happens on every Honda. It's the clock spring that just makes the plastic rubbing noise behind there, which I do hear. So it's just a simple replace the clock spring until we find one that doesn't make noise, because you can still get a brand new one and it comes right out of the box and they still make noise, and the customer comes back for another one. Either we order like 3 at a time and hopefully put it in and then doesn't make noise, and then and then that's basically it. So here's another complaint. This is a new one for me, actually. Let me just get this up on screen. Here's the other complaint. This is a new one for me. It took me a while to figure it out, because I had to do what I know, see if they work, and then if they don't, I have to look further. So this customer's complaint was front driver's side is having a clicking sound when going over bumps, like a tick-tick noise. Sounds like something tapping up against hard plastic. But so when I drove it, it's easy. I was able to duplicate it. So when I was it doesn't matter if it's over bumps. It could just be on a straight road. And maybe small imperfections in the on the road will cause it. It makes like a tick 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 tick, and it feels like something's tapping somewhere behind a dash. That's what it sounded like to me. So first of all, what I did is there's a bar in front of the radiator core support. I tightened those, right? They were not tight enough, but that wasn't my noise. Because I had to keep coming back and forth and driving it, see if it goes away. To where I finally tightened the subframe bolts. When I, put my wrench on it, I was able to give it a good, like not more than a half a turn. Let's say more than a half a turn on all 4 corners. And also the brackets that also have the 2 bolts on them. I tightened all of them by hand to see how far they turn. And then I took it for a drive and the noise went away. So the bolts weren't loose. It's just not tight enough from the factory. That's the best way I can explain it. So if you guys had that weird tapping noise, you can hear it constantly, even driving on a flat road. It's just the imperfections in the road will also cause it. It makes it like a tick 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 tick, and it's pretty loud. You can't miss it. I was able to duplicate it all the time. It's just me trying different things until that noise went away to know what it is, and that's why I'm making this video. So if you guys have a 26 Honda Odyssey, I mean, it could also be a Pilot, Ridgeline, stuff like that too. But if you have a customer complaint similar to this, and you tried the crossbar on the rad support area, those 12 mils, and you gave it a little, good snug, and it's still there, try the subframe bolts. That's what fixed this noise for me. There's also brake noise, but it's another customer complaint, but it's a brand new car. The brake pads haven't even worn in. It's just like their complaint is when they go to release the brake pedal, it makes kind of a bit of a rubbing noise, like a whoop. But anyways, hope this video helps you guys with your Honda Odyssey noise. If I find more, I'll let you guys know. I'll post it up, and that way, everybody can get rid of their weird noises that they're hearing in their brand new cars. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. So I just want to give you a visual of what I tightened. Because I do have a video on creaking noises with those this bar that goes up to there, and there's also another 12 mil, and then there's another bar that goes up to here underneath the coolant bottle, there's a 12 mil as well. So I tightened those, and no, the noise didn't go away. It's only until I went to check the subframe bolts. The bolts that I'm talking about are these. There's a bracket in here. There's holes actually for you to access these bolts. So I tightened all of these, right? Same thing on this side. On all four corners, they also have brackets, and then the actual subframe bolts that go to the body too. Same thing over here. There's like this bolt, and then the two bolts for the bracket on each side. So I went ahead and just tightened all four corners, and then basically that noise that I kept hearing, that tapping noise, went away.